Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today we have another new box to the channel. This one is called Craft-Tastic and it is fantastic of what I've seen so far. So a little bit about this box. It is quarterly. You would receive it every July, October, January, and April. It's $45 a quarter, and it's free shipping. And you get 8 to 10 items, which are mostly home decor items. So, as you guys know, I've been trying to get my own apartment, so this will be perfect for when that happens. If you'd like to see what came in my big old box, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okie dokie, let's break into it. So right there on the front, it's got the Craft-Tastic Home Decor Creations by Craft-Tastic. I will be sure to link their website down below for you guys. And all over the box, it does say fragile, handle with care. So I'm very curious to see what could possibly be in here. So when you open her up, that's what it looks like so far. Just bubble wrap type stuff on top. Let's take those out. Oh, they sent me a little note, so that's cute. And then everything is on the back of the card. So first off, I'm pulling this out. It is a little garden thing that you stick in, and it just says grow, so that's really cute. So when I do move into my new apartment, I'll have my strawberries out front, and I can stick this in the pot. So even if you don't have your own place where there's a garden, you can still put it in your planters. So I think that's really super cute. And that is called the Grow Garden Pick. Then we have this super adorable little doodad right here. That is so cute. I love how they did this. Where it looks like it's actually pouring. Aww. Super adorable. So this would be the watering can sun catcher. Oh, that is so cute. I freaking love that. Aww. Okay, and then this would be really cute. I know most people, not most people, a lot of people have like a beach theme for their bathroom. So this is the boathouse. That is so cool. Boathouse decor. Actually, that would go good in my bathroom once I get my place, because I have some ocean pictures that I was going to put up in there. Oh, this is cute. This would be perfect for like a teacher's desk. Sweet summertime. That's super cute. Oh, it looks like this was crafted by Craft-Tastic and it's $2. There's a little tag on the back. Cute. And then this is a kitchen towel rag. So microfiber on the front and that little like abrasive side on the back. I think every kitchen should always have one of these, so that's cool. Oh, reusable straws. And there's 4 in here. Yes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Love the little tie. And then this company is owned by Denise and Kelly. They're Homemade Creations. You can follow them on Facebook at Craft-Tastic, and I'll leave that right there. Oh, look! Oh, I'm so excited. There's so much stuff in here, you guys. There's so much stuff in here. That is so cute. So there's a cross right there. This little swirly bead. Oh, that is so cute. So a little dangly bracelet. It says happy. So you just tie that on around your wrist. Aw, cute. Oh, that's so cool. Was this specifically made just for me? Because on their business card, it says that they're from Bowling Green, Kentucky. KY. Is that Kentucky or Connecticut? Kentucky, right? But this, there's a magnet in here. Oh, it is just for me. Just for you. Oh, that makes this feel so special. It's a magnet, and inside it says Oregon, and it's the shape of my state. That is so adorable. I love it. And then there's this one. It has America, and then it says love. It's kind of hard to show it on camera because it's glass, but there's the magnet on the back. And then there's another bracelet. How many items are in here? And this is the Kumi cord bracelet. I like that one a lot. That one's cute. And then I have, of course, I have this one on. So Zach made this for me like, oh, a ridiculous amount of time ago. Like maybe 9-10 months ago. He made it. And it's one of those ones that's a cinch bracelet. And I have not taken it off, not once. It is our friendship bracelet and I will wear it forever. Okay. And then there's this. This is cute. Oh, it's a necklace. And then it has a bike on the front. That's cute. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh my God. That is so... Wow. That is so freaking smart. Why aren't all necklaces like that? Oh man. Okay. What is this? It says hi, hey, hello. Okay, so this is the kitchen rag. This is the kitchen towel. That's huge. So cool. Okay, and then there is a bookmark, which is really awesome. I need to start reading again. I haven't in quite some time. Oh, okay, this isn't a bracelet. I got that wrong. I'm sorry. This is to hang from your rear view mirror. That's a car decoration. That makes a lot more sense. And then there is a Loom bracelet. Right there. This is a to-do list tile with a dry erase marker. I love you guys. That is so cute. I never even thought about that before. So I'm kind of curious. I wonder if they just, you know, this is like arts and crafts that they make at home, or if these are from like artisans or what. I'll have to get that clarified. But yeah, that was a super, super stinking cute box. Wow. And like really, okay, so let's count how many items were in here. The to-do list tile, 1. The kitchen towel, 2. The kitchen rag, 3. The boathouse decor, 4. The 4 reusable straws, we'll just count this as one item, so 5. The watering can sun catcher, so freaking cute, 6. And then the grow plant garden stick, 7. The sweet summertime wood tower, 8. The 2 magnets, we'll count that as 1 as a set, that's 9. The rear view mirror sun catcher, 10. Bookmark, 11. The friendship bracelet, 12. The Loom Bracelet, 13. The Kumi bracelet, 14. This amazing necklace, 15. So altogether, we received 15 items in this box for only $45. So that's pretty outstanding to me. I don't think I've ever seen a box come with that amount of items before. So be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think about this box. Is it worth the price? And what was your favorite item? And that's all I have for you guys today. I love you guys so very much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.